What is going on, guys? Take another quick video on CS2, and it is how to make everyone invisible on your server. So notice how I said on your server. This is another SV cheat command that can only be done in private matches. So private lobby with your friend, offline with bots, anything you have admin in. You can't do this in any public match like, competitive premier, uh, wingman, arms race, nothing with random players. But here, if you're playing a private lobby with your friend, you want to troll them, you want to make everyone invisible, I'll show you how to do it. So first, you're going to have to enable SV cheats. And yes, I am in third person, by the way. This is to show that I'm going to turn invisible as well. I will show you how to turn on third person real quick in this video, even though I've done it in another video too. So anyways, how do we turn on SV cheats? So press tilde, top left hand corner of your keyboard. This will open up the console, and then we do SV_cheats true. I will paste all these commands in the description of the video, by the way. Okay, so SV cheats is true, and now the command is R. Let me just go back to what I had before. R draw CS players, and then by default this is true, right? Because we're drawing the CS players. But if I press up on my keyboard, the up arrow, and get my most recent command, and change this to false, everyone just disappeared. But that doesn't mean everyone's gone, right? I'm still here. You're seeing blood splatters. I just killed a bot right there. I got lucky because I can't really tell where they are anymore. There's another bot. So it does glitch third person out, but I just wanted to show you that third person does work with this as well. So let me just turn it off real quick and then show you how to do third person. So let's draw all the bots again, and then the command is third person. It's bugging out. Third person. False. Yeah, my third person's totally bugging out now that I've been... Okay, so maybe don't use third person with drawing the player models because they will bug it out. Like, yeah, I don't know what's happening with my character now, but that is the command. So I will link the video where I show you how to get in third person in CS2, but yeah, now it's swapping it in and out. So that's not the point of the video. Anyways, the point of the video is you can make everyone invisible. How to do that? It is draw R_draw CS players false. So I want to leave this in the description of the video. And yeah, now everyone's visible. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, drop a like, leave any questions you got in the comments. I will reply. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.